This chocolate sells for $5,000 per box. And it's made in one of the most exclusive factories in the world. It all begins with rare cocoa beans. These beans grow in only a few remote regions across the planet. Each one is carefully selected by hand to ensure perfect quality. The beans are washed, fermented, and prepared for roasting. Inside massive roasting machines, heat unlocks their deep, rich flavor. They are then ground into a smooth, flowing liquid chocolate. Some batches are infused with 24-karat edible gold. The chocolate is poured into custom-designed luxury molds. It slowly moves through a cooling tunnel, forming the perfect texture. Experts inspect every single piece under controlled lighting. Each chocolate is wrapped like a piece of fine jewelry, then placed inside a limited edition handcrafted box. The price? Up to $5,000 per box. Only collectors and the ultra-wealthy can afford this experience. The texture is so smooth, it melts instantly. Every batch is signed by master chocolatiers. From this factory, the boxes are shipped around the world. This isn't just chocolate. It's craftsmanship, precision, and pure luxury in every bite. Subscribe to discover more hidden factories.